they may be, where they may go, what they may see just down the road, around the bend. All but me, I dream of where I've already been. I dream in blue jeans, old Ford's box fans, back porch, cotton growing up to your knees. I dream in Mississippi moon pies, mason jars, fireflies, William Faulkner, old New Orleans. And the only Paris for me is in West Tennessee. If I'm ever any other when I lay down to sleep, I dream in house to church pews, rural roots you'll never outrun 'em. I dream in the Southern. I've hung my hat in so many places. I've seen the beauty in so many faces that don't feel like home. But that's alright, 'cause every time I close my eyes, I dream in bluebell ice cream, mama calling through the screen, supper's almost ready to eat. I dream in football, Graceland, barbecue in Alabama, sand slipping under my feet. If I can't spend my time in sweet Carolina, don't take too long for Georgia's back on my mind. I dream in symphonies of trains and crickets, where it's always Christmas or summer. Yeah, yeah. I dream in the Southern. They say you can't go back, but I can always go back. I dream in blue jeans, old Ford's box fence, back porch, cotton growing up to your knees. I dream in Mississippi moon pies, mason jars, fireflies, William Faulkner, old New Orleans. The only Paris for me is in West Tennessee. If I'm ever any other when I lay down to sleep, I dream in